Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you. To those who have not subscribed, please do wait to subscribe so that you belong to this community where we learn and interact. Okay, so today's edition of So It TJ, I want to show you guys how you can fix side pockets on your Ankara baggy shirt. Yes, you see this side pocket you are seeing. I'm going to show you how you can fix it perfectly well. Yes, you can also use this method to fix your pocket on your trouser. Yes, your Ankara long pants, the trouser. Yes, you can also use this method. So if this is what you are interested in, then let's go. Don't forget that I have a detailed tutorial on how to make this shirt on my channel. It's already there, so you can check it out. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we are done cutting the front and the back part of the shirt. So now remember, this is what we are going to do. So on this side, this is the front part. You go in by 2 inches. Yes, you go in by 2 inches. You mark it. Then you go down by 7 inches. That's the length. You also mark it. Then you connect in a slanted form. It won't be straight, okay? So you connect it this way in a slanted form, okay? So when you connect, this is what you have. Then I'm going to trim it out, okay? So this is it. So this is what we have, okay? So now keep that aside. Then we are going to cut out our pocket bag. So this is our pocket bag. For the wideness, I use 13, and for the length, I use 13. So we have 13 by 13, okay? So this is it. This is for the two pockets, okay? So now we're going to keep this aside and we get our okay, so we'll get our shorts. So this is the front part. Remember, we already cut out the 2 by 7. So we'll keep one part by the side. So we're going to work with this. Just watch and see what I'm going to do. You take the pocket bag, that's the pocket, you place it on the shirt, right side facing right side. Okay? So you see the way I placed it. You place it this way. You see the way I place it. So you make sure that 2 inches that we removed is being replaced by the pocket bag. Just watch and see. You see that you see the pocket bag, okay? I replaced that 2 inches I took out from the shirt itself. I replace it with the pocket bag. You see it? That's the 2 inches. That's the 2 inches wideness. I stopped on that 7 inches. You see the way I place it? Okay? Okay, so now you can use your pin to secure this. So make sure the allowance there is 2 inches or 1.5, but it shouldn't be more than 2 inches to replace the one we removed from the shirt itself. So that is that. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it to the machine and stitch just half an inch. I'll stitch on it, then I'll come and show you guys. Okay, so this is what we have after stitching. This is what we have. You see what we have? You see the stitch? You see the way it is? Okay, so this is what we have after stitching. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to trim out that 2 inches that is there. You see it? I'm going to trim it out. So by doing so now, we now have the same thing both on the pocket bag and on the shorts. Okay, so look at what I'm doing now. I'm going to bring out my pocket bag. Watch and see. Let's take it again. See the way it is? I'll bring it out to the other side. So like this now, they are all on the right side. You see, both the pocket bag and the shirt itself, they are now on the right side. Okay, so you see the way it is. So that edge now, I'm going to stitch from the top till I get to that 7 inches. You know the 7 inches mark we made initially. Okay, so I'm going to stitch. You see the way I'm just follow what I'm doing. I'm going to stitch just half an inch from the beginning to that 7 inches. Okay, so this is it. I'm done stitching, and this is what it looks like. So yours should be looking this way. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now, wash again. I'm going to move my pocket bag. See the way I did it. Let's take it again. You see the way it is. Then I'll go under, pick my pocket bag and move it. Okay, so this is it. This is what we have. Now when we place the short on it, we are still going to maintain that 2 inches we removed initially from the short itself. That 2 inches, you see it. Okay, you see the way it is. Now if you use your tape and shake, now you see that what we have here is same as what we had on the short after cutting. So I'm trying to cross check that I still have my 2 inches intact. Okay, so this is it. Then I'll check again if my 2 inches is intact. Okay, so this is it. So I'll stitch at the down part, then I'll go to the top again. I'll also make a stitch there. Stitch at the down, stitch at the top, then I'll sew it. You see the way I showed you guys? I'll go over and sew it and show you guys. Okay, oh yeah, see? I've stitched at the top and at the down part. Okay, so this is it. The next thing now is to sew this down part. I'll make a notch at that part. You see that down area? I'll use my scissors and make a notch. Okay, then I'll put my hand inside the pocket and turn it to the right side. Yes, put my hand inside and bring everything out. Okay, so you see it's very easy to fix your pocket on your Ankara shirt. It's very easy. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to sew at this edges, then I'm going to close it down. I just trim out the excesses at that side. So let me use my chalk and show you guys how you're going to sew it. Okay, so you're going to sew this way. When you get to this edge, you will make a curve like this. You make a curve, okay, and sew it down. So this is how you're going to go and sew it. Okay, so this is it. We are done sewing. This is what it looks like. So I'm trimming out the excesses. So the next thing now is to put your hand in and turn it again to the other side. So when you turn it, you have to go and top stitch on it. Just like we sewed the inside, just top stitch. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, our pocket bag is ready. Yes, this is how to fix your pockets, your side pockets on your shorts, be it elastic, be it zipper. This is how to fix it. Even if you can still use this method for your trouser. Okay, so please, if you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe. Put on your notification button so that whenever we upload a new tutorial, you're going to get a notification on that. Thank you so much for always watching. See you guys next time. Thank you.